You guys want to see something cool? Check that thing out. It's a high carbon Damascus Berserker with a resin stabilized elm burl handle, mosaic pins, just completely unnecessarily beautiful, ornate, yet functional. This one's already spoken for, but I'm gonna make them available for pre-order. It's not gonna go up on my website. It's not gonna be a normal item for purchase, but you guys can chat to me in my DMs, and I'll make them to order. I won't really be manufacturing stock ahead of time like I do with my other stuff, but just look how awesome that is. Dis nou regtig ietsie baie besonders.